Hi, little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color a cute heart with a crown. Are you excited? Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's start drawing with our black marker. We'll begin by drawing a heart. Great job!
Cool!
Now, let's give our heart some personality by drawing two cute eyes and a smiley mouth. Awesome! Now, let's draw a crown on top of our heart to make it look royal. Look at that!
Awesome!
Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Look how nicely our heart queen is dancing. Now it's time to color. We will use some beautiful colors to make our heart and crown look amazing. Let's start with yellow color for the crown. Next, orange color. Now, let's add some red color.
Cool!
Cream color for the rest of the heart. And finally, pink color for extra cuteness. Wow! Our cute heart with a crown looks fantastic. Awesome job, everyone! Look at our beautifully colored heart queen. Keep practicing and being creative. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.